Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to find saved videos on YouTube. While using YouTube, you might have saved a video to watch later, and now you can't find the video. Don't worry, I am here to help you. So first, open your YouTube application on your iOS or Android device. After opening your YouTube application, as you can see from the bottom right corner, you need to tap on your logo. After tapping your logo, you will find this interface where you can find your account details and your YouTube history. Here you will find your saved videos as well. From this playlist option, you need to tap on this View All icon, and from here, as you can see your previously liked videos and saved videos. To see your saved videos, you need to tap this icon called Watch Later. From here, you will find the list of videos that you have saved while surfing YouTube, and now you want to watch them again. So yeah, guys, that's how you find your saved videos on YouTube. If you like this video, please subscribe and like my video. Thank you for watching.